What is up, lawn care community? Today I'm showing you the first step to changing your edger blade is to get the tool that came with it or find the right socket. Now, to change the edger blade, the first thing you have to know is that the bolt on here holding the blade is actually reverse thread, which means lefty tighty, righty loosey, loosey, which is just backwards from any normal bolt. So we take our tool, and this is actually the hardest part about changing it, is that you have to use your hand or some type of cloth or towel or shirt to protect your hand, but some type of force has to be held on the blade to change it. So you'll take your hand and hold this down, and then you get the leverage you need, and then you'll turn to the right. Now, I popped mine off pretty easily because this is a new edger. I would advise using the socket to get these edger blades off with, because you just get more leverage and it's got a better handle than the tool that usually comes with the edger itself. Once you've gotten the bolt loosened enough, it will spin right off, and then you'll remove this washer and then remove your blade. You'll then take your new blade and make sure that it fits nicely back onto that circle. You don't want to have it sitting off like this. So make sure your blade is on there. Put your washer back on. Take your nut, and now we will tighten it by spinning to the left. Tighten it down with your tool.